This is a 2007 Ford Expedition. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.4-liter V8. Its top features include skid plates and third-row seating. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, variable valve timing, running boards, traction control, speed sensitive wipers, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Pacific Honda is located at 4720 Convoy Street in San Diego. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.